In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot to your Shopify store. Adding an AI chatbot is a great way to answer customer questions automatically, capture leads, and give visitors instant support even when you're not online. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process of installing the Chatty AI chatbot and live chat app inside your Shopify dashboard, and then making sure it's properly embedded and ready to customize. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard and logging into your store. Once you're on the main home screen of your Shopify admin, look over to the left-hand side menu. You'll see several options like Home, Orders, Products, and so on. Find and click on the option labeled Apps. This is where you manage all the tools and add-ons connected to your Shopify store. When the Apps page opens, look for a link or button that says All Recommended Apps. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a section where Shopify suggests apps, and from there, you'll get access to the full App Store. Next, you'll see an option to open the Shopify App Store. Click on Shopify App Store. This will launch the app marketplace in a new window or tab where you can search for the chatbot app we're going to install. At the top of the App Store page, you'll see a search bar. Click inside the search bar and type Chatty AI chatbot and live chat. Press enter to search. After a moment, you'll see a list of results. Look for the app named Chatty AI Chatbot and Live Chat, and then click on it to open the app's details page. On the app page, you'll find an Install button. Click on Install to start connecting this chatbot to your store. Shopify may show you a permission screen explaining what access the app needs. Review the information, and when you're ready, click Install again to confirm. After the installation is complete, you'll be taken to the app's dashboard inside your Shopify admin. Before you do anything else, make sure the app is embedded in your store theme. There will usually be a toggle or setting in the app or in your theme settings to enable the embedded app. Turn that on so the chatbot widget can actually appear on your storefront. Once it's embedded, return to the chatbot's dashboard. From here, you can customize the look, behavior, and messaging of your AI chatbot so it matches your brand and supports your customers the